Big cooking power, small space? Meet the Avanti 24-inch electric range. Your compact kitchen hero. Sick of struggling with a cramped kitchen that barely fits a toaster, let alone a full-size oven? The Avanti 24-inch electric range is here to rescue your culinary dreams. This sleek, space-saving powerhouse is the perfect fit for apartments, RVs, tiny homes, and condos, all without sacrificing cooking performance. For Coil burners, a spacious 2.6 cubic feet oven and a framed glass door bring full-sized cooking capabilities to your small space kitchen. Whether you're whipping up a quick breakfast or hosting a feast, this compact but mighty range delivers big results in a tiny footprint. Who says small kitchens can't handle serious cooking? With 4 Coil burners, 3 6-inch and 1 8-inch, this range offers versatility for every dish, from searing steaks to simmering sauces. Chrome reflector bowls and temperature safety sensors keep heat distribution consistent and efficient, so you'll never deal with half-cooked meals again. And the oven? Perfect for baking, broiling, and roasting with a waist-high broiler, included broiling pan, and electronic thermostat for precise temperature control. Say goodbye to uneven cooking and hello to chef-quality meals, even in the tiniest kitchens. Cooking in a small space doesn't mean sacrificing convenience. The pull-out storage drawer lets you keep your essential cookware and accessories within arm's reach, eliminating clutter and saving time. The oven's on-off light switch, surface and oven indicator lights, and a built-in 60-minute timer help you cook with precision and ease. No more burnt cookies or forgotten casseroles. With the Avanti 24-inch electric range, every inch is optimized for usability, proving that compact living doesn't have to mean compromising on functionality. Unlike cheap, flimsy compact ranges, the Avanti 24-inch is built with durability and efficiency in mind. The seamless framed glass oven door adds a touch of modern elegance while ensuring easy cleaning and long-term reliability. The stainless steel components, temperature-regulated burners, and sturdy design guarantee that this range won't just look good, it'll perform for years. Whether you're an everyday home cook, a pro chef in a tiny kitchen, or a traveler needing a reliable RV cooking solution, the Avanti 24-inch electric range is built to keep up. Why settle for a bulky, outdated stove when you can have a sleek, modern, and compact solution that actually fits your space? The Avanti 24-inch electric range is a total game-changer for those who need a high-quality, space-saving cooking solution without breaking the bank. It's affordable, efficient, and designed to handle all your cooking needs, from quick breakfasts to gourmet dinners. Click now to transform your small kitchen into a full-fledged cooking haven, because big things do come in small packages.